Welcome to Skybroking Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Major data of this week has economic related data, and the major event like ECB President Lagarde speaks on Monday and the US Fed Chairman Powell testifies on Tuesday. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like gold bulls suffered their worst week since the 2020 COVID outbreak as prices fell almost 6% on the Federal Reserve's expedited timetable for rate hikes and stimulus tapering. The US dollar index is getting strong. Fundamentally, this is a negative news for precious metals. And technically speaking, gold may expect a mild recovery near 46563 levels. And in silver, until it closes below 66977 on daily basis means mild recovery is expected. These are the major precious metals outlook. Now let's see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has a news like the crude demand outlook is still very robust for the next couple of quarters and possibly the first tropical system of the Atlantic hurricane season, a pivotal moment over Iran nuclear deal negotiations and a slower reopening across Europe due to COVID variant concerns. Fundamentally, this is a mixed news for crude oil, and technically speaking, until crude oil closes below 5156, it may expect a positive trend with positional target of 5593 ranges. Next is natural gas. It has a news like the US Energy Information Administration reported on Thursday that the domestic supplies of natural gas rose by 16 billion cubic feet for the week ended on June 11. The EIA said the data, however, included an adjustment to the week's total to account for a reclassification of some gas stocks from working gas to base gas. Fundamentally, this is a slight positive news for natural gas, and technically speaking, natural gas remains in a positive trend with positional target of 256.6 ranges, and any drop seen to utilize a buying opportunity with stop loss of 225. These are the major energy outlook. Now let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has a news like LME copper inventories increased by 24,925 MT, soaring by 17%. China's decision to release state reserves of copper. This is fundamentally a negative news for copper, and technically speaking, copper remains in a profit booking rally. Next is aluminum. It has the news like the more hawkish stance from the United States Federal Reserve on Wednesday lifted the dollar but has weighed on sentiment. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for aluminum, and technically speaking, aluminum may expect a profit booking rally with resistance of 201.25 and support of 186, and if it closes below 186 means selling pressure may increase. Next is lead. It has a news like the raw materials such as lead concentrate and battery scrap remained firm in the downtrend of lead prices. At the same time, social inventories of lead ingots continued to rise to 130,000 MT. This is fundamentally a negative news for lead, and technically speaking, lead may expect a mixed trade until close below 168, then selling pressure may increase with positional support of 161.7 levels. Next is zinc. It has a news like zinc is down by 3.7%, high US dollar tracks down LME complex. This is fundamentally a negative news for zinc, and technically speaking, zinc may expect a high volatility trade. Next is nickel. It has the news like nickel ore inventories across all Chinese ports decreased by 550,000 WMT. This is fundamentally a slight positive news for nickel, and technically speaking, nickel may expect a high volatility trade with support of 1264.4 levels, and if it closes below 1264.4 on daily basis, some more drop is ahead. Now let's see the Nifty and Bank Nifty outlook. Nifty may expect a profit booking rally with high volatility and positional support of 15169, and from there it may expect a recovery rally. The option sellers avoid short straddle kind of strategies because of high volatility and at the same time the option buyers market. Bank Nifty remains in a profit booking rally with positional support in between 31888 and 32057 levels. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skycommodities.com. Thank you by Skybroking.